channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I got this glowy spring makeup look. But for the glowy portion, I did something a wee bit different. I actually used Aquaphor, and I know you guys are probably like, what? Like, bitch, what? You used Aquaphor? So first off, I wanna say thank you to Aquaphor for sponsoring this video. I was super duper excited to work with them because Aquaphor is pretty much a must-have product in our household. It's just really great in the winter time. It's great for dry skin, and we've also used it on NitraaB because they do have Aquaphor Baby. And as you guys can tell, we have definitely put a dent in this. We have been using it since he was a little bitty baby. So yeah, we really love Aquaphor. It has so many great uses, but I never thought I would see the day that I was using Aquaphor to get my glow on, okay? So the first time that I decided to do this was actually last year at the beach. I ran across a video on Facebook where they were showing different makeup hacks, and a girl used Aquaphor as a highlighter, and I was literally shook it. I was so shook. So I was like, okay, let me try this out because we had it on hand because, like I said, we've been using it on NitraaB since he was a little bitty baby. So I grabbed a little bit of it and I literally dabbed it on a bare face, and it just made me look really nice and glowy. It made me look like I was glowing from the inside out, and I just love the way that it looked. So I figured that I would go ahead and incorporate it in this makeup tutorial and show you guys how to make your highlight a little bit more on fleek, how to get that extra glow up. I really love the way that it looks because it does make you look really nice and glowy. Now, I wouldn't say that this is something that you're going to do every single day, but if you're going to the beach or if you're going somewhere where you want to look a little bit more glowy, I would definitely say go for this. And now Aquaphor is actually available at Ulta, so whenever you're picking up your makeup, you can go ahead and pick up Aquaphor as well. And it is a great alternative to a regular highlighter because normal highlighters on the market are way more expensive than this little tube of Aquaphor. So yeah, I think this is really great to incorporate in your beauty routine. And if you guys would like to see how I got this spring glowy makeup look, then all you have to do is keep watching. All right guys, so let's go ahead and jump into it. I've already primed my eyes, and today for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Morphe palette, and this is the 24G Grand Glam palette, and I'm so excited to try this out. The colors are absolutely gorgeous, and I love how big the pans are. The first color that I'm applying is called Frenchy, and it's a medium tone brown. Very nice. It has a little warmth to it, but it's not too warm. So the next shade I'm going to apply is called Spiffy, and I'm just applying this in my inner crease area. It's somewhat of a mauve tone brown. It has some mauve to it, but it also has a little hint of brown as well. For the lid, I'm using the shade Marble. It's very, not shimmery, but it does have a sheen to it. And it's a kind of mauve color. Kind of reminds me of like an icy pink. Now I'm taking the color Mooch and I'm applying it to the outer portion of my lid. This is just going to deepen it up a little bit. I'm gonna apply one coat of mascara just so the fake eyelashes blend well with my real lashes. Moving on to my face, you guys know I have to do a primer concoction. So the first primer I'm using is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Primer. And for the large pores that I have on my nose area, I'm going to be using the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. For the foundation, I'm going to be using a newbie, and this is by NARS. This is the Natural Radiant LongWear Foundation, so I'm going to see what this bad boy is all about. I am in the shade Cadiz. I really like the coverage on this, and I only used about 2 pumps. I think this foundation blended really, really well. I'm just going to put a little bit on my forehead. So I'm pairing that foundation up with another NARS product, and this is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This used to be one of my favorites. I haven't used it in a while, but it's really, really nice. And I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm using this concealer from Becca, and it's in the shade Deep Bronze. gonna bronze my face with NARS Casino Bronzer. So now for the highlight, I'm gonna show you guys how I use Aquaphor to make my highlight a little bit more extra, a little bit more wham bam, thank you ma'am. So I actually like to use the squeeze bottle because I feel like it's a little bit easier than trying to use the jar. So what I like to do is just squeeze out a small amount, a very tiny amount, because a little bit is going to go a long way. I just take a tiny bit onto my fingertip, I rub it in, and then I just like to place it on the highest point of my cheekbone. And already I can tell that I am glowing. And you guys will definitely be able to see it because it's reflecting off the light. So I just put it there, and then also the middle of my forehead. And then also the other side of my cheek. Just gonna add a little bit more. The center of my nose, and then also on my chin. So now that I have the product in place, I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and I'm just going to pounce the product in. Just so that it doesn't look like it's sitting on top of my skin, and it gives me that glowing from within look. You can already tell that that looks much better. But it looks so nice. Just gonna pounce it in on the forehead. It's just really going to help blend that product in there. It's really nice and glowy. So once you use the beauty blender, that just helps it look a little bit more flawless. Gives you a better gleam look. And once you've done that, you just want to top it off with your highlighter of choice. I'm going to be using the LAURAGELLAR Gilded Honey, and I'm just placing it right on top of the Aquaphor. And this is just going to help the highlighter really adhere, because it's going to stick onto the tackiness of the Aquaphor. So your highlight is just really going to be gleaming. I am seriously looking like a glazed donut right now, you guys. I think it looks so nice, especially if you're looking for that extra glow in the spring and the summertime. It's really, really beautiful. I'm smudging the shade Brew underneath my lash line just to pull it all together. I'm gonna give it a little bit more of a smoky effect. I'm gonna add some color to my face with this ColourPop blush in Cruel Intentions. Now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna use ColourPop's BFF2 for my lip liner. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this glowy spring makeup look. If you're interested in checking out Aquaphor, I will have a link listed below. And don't forget, it is also available at Ulta. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!